Welcome to my happy place, Costco. It's especially happy today because a sale started yesterday. It's called the Costco Hot Warehouse Buys, meaning you only have a limited amount of time to get these sales before they go away. And spoiler alert, there's some really good Bobby approved stuff on sale. So let's do what we always do. Walk around my favorite place on the planet, Costco, show you what to buy, what to avoid, but more importantly, how to read the ingredients on back so you put the best quality stuff in your body. But I do also want you to check out thrivemarket.com using my link down below. Yes, they are a 7-year supporter of my channel, but the reason why I like them, pretty much anything you'd find at the grocery store is cheaper. You save about $32 per order and the box comes to your door. You don't even have to go to the store, but when you click my link down below, you get 30% off your first order, a free gift, and the box comes to your door. I put all my favorite Thrive Market items down below. I just got a box at my house today filled with personal care items because my family's coming this weekend, but check them out, you will love them. Less talking, more shopping. Let's walk around Costco. This is not a drill. Ladies and gentlemen, I repeat, this is not a drill. It's back on sale. The Rao's 2-pack. 2 28-ounce containers for $9.59. Look at that per ounce price of 17 cents. Literally go to any other grocery store. It will be at least 100% more expensive. That price is crazy. And you might look next to it and see this organic Classico is actually cheaper. It's 11 cents per ounce, but let's compare. Yes, it's organic, and this is Rao's, which is non-organic. Look at these ingredients. About as real deal as they get. And honestly, it tastes so good. I've tried every other sauce on the planet. Rao's is the best. Now, the only knock on Rao's, it's not organic, and tomatoes are on the dirty dozen, but I'll talk about that in a second. So you're like, well, Bobby, this is better, right? Classico organic. Well, Bobby tells you to read the ingredients, or better yet, scan it with the Bobby approved app. And there's 2 things I want you to pay attention to right here. This has added sugar, 2 grams of added cane sugar per serving. More importantly, look what it says right here. Tomato puree, right? Tomato puree versus whole peel tomatoes. Very, very important difference. Whole peel tomatoes are superior tomatoes, superior quality, superior sabor. Flavor's better. Puree is inferior all the way, and the added cane sugar. Now, this is organic. That's the only positive because tomatoes are on the dirty dozen, but there's an operative word right here, peels. Italian whole peel tomatoes. When tomatoes are sprayed, and I'm all over the place today with languages and accents. When the tomatoes are sprayed, it's on the peel, and the peel is peeled away. So is it perfectly ideal? No, but it's still Bobby approved. And I've never had a sauce that tastes better. And to get 2 of these bad boys right here, I'll probably get more than that. For that price, holy cow. By the way, the expiration date is super long on this. Where is that? Here. I can't seem to find it, but it's super long. Load up, my friends. Rao's is finally back on sale. High five. I just want to point out that the holidays are here, and for the first time in forever, as Rose would say, Kerrygold has not been on sale at Costco. Always in the past, it's been on sale. More importantly, not only has it not been on sale, they've raised the price. I wonder if there's a new import tax, but this is up to a high level of $7.20 per pound, which means now, more than ever, just make the switch to the Kirkland one. For the holidays, it's superior. It's superior price. $5.50 per pound, $7.24 per pound. Listen, they're both Bobby approved and great, but this is actually, oh, someone got crazy there. This is actually 95% grass-fed. Kerrygold is 80%, so technically it's a little superior, but both are great. But you're saving major, major, major money. So yes, it hasn't been on sale. I think it has something to do with the increased price and probably a tariff. But for holiday cooking, just get this, my friends. You're never gonna beat that price. This is for the coffee lovers out there. Starbucks French Roast is on sale a lot. And to get 2.5 pounds for $14 is a great deal. I just wanna put it out there though. 2.5 pounds is a lot of coffee. And see what it says here, best before, here we go, best before June 2023. That's true because it's vacuum sealed, but as soon as you open this bag, it's a ticking time bomb of flavor because whole beans like these are not ground, they're whole beans. When you open them, have 14 days of peak freshness. Of course, they're good after that, but the flavor component in here, the essential oils start to die off after 14 days, which is why for myself, I would never buy this big of a bag because I can't drink it that quick. So just to keep in mind, if you can drink it quick, that's great. But after 14 days, the flavor is going downhill. If you were to buy ground coffee, 7 days of peak flavor. Also at your Costco, if you have single origin, that's gonna be the best coffee you can get. All of these are blends. Always in South Florida, they have all blends. Single origins are better, but I just want to keep it in mind. It's a big bag, it's a great price, but keep in mind how quickly you're gonna drink it, and don't store it in the freezer. If you think you're gonna pull a Benjamin Button and reverse the hands of aging here, the freezer actually makes beans age quicker. So don't do that. Keep that in mind though. We have a keto cereal on sale here, and it's not Bobby approved, but it is better than the other options here. It's Catalina Crunch Keto Cinnamon Toast. So it's Cinnamon Toast Crunch, but keto. Way cheaper than any other grocery store. And listen, it's better than most cereals here, but not close to Bobby approved. Why? It has sunflower oil. The high oleic refers to the fatty acid profile, but it's still processed sunflower oil, and it has natural flavors in there. So I'll put it back, but if you want to buy a cereal at Costco, that's the one you want. Actually, this is the one you want, the keto one. This one is Bobby approved. That's a way better option. But you know what just came in the mail from Thrive Market? A box with the keto cereal. The Thrive Market Keto Flakes made with coconut meat and coconut water are crazy. And in that box is a ton of personal care items because my dad and my brother and his wife and his daughter are coming this weekend for the holidays. And I got a ton of Bobby approved personal care, and I always order that stuff on Thrive Market. Great prices, and when you click my link down below, 30% off your first order and that free gift. But they have Acure shampoo and conditioner, which is non-toxic, Bobby approved. We use it everywhere in the house. Dr. Bronner's bar soap is great too. And then I got the cereal and all that other jazz. So I put a list of all my favorite Thrive Market items in the description box down below. Try Thrive, they're fantastic. And with my link off for 30% off your first order, you're golden. New item alert. I repeat, new item alert. Before I talk about it though, this reminds me I need more Himalayan pink salt. I use this to season my pasta water at home. This Spice Lab is a local South Florida company. Really quickly, this is superior to this kind of salt. This is what I used to use back in the day. Read the ingredients here. This is a bleached processed salt. See that percyanate of soda? That's an anti-caking agent, so the salt comes out quicker. This is, in my opinion, inferior salt because it's bleached, processed, and refined. Something like this is unrefined, has up to 84 minerals. It's superior for you. Now I get back to our regularly scheduled programming. This is a new item, Avo Mega. I've heard about this. It's avocado oil, chia, and MCT oil. It's omega-3, of course, because chia seeds are high in omega. Here's my deal. I saw it the other day. I like to see the origin of the avocado. Does anyone see where it comes from here? No. It's made in Canada, but they ain't growing any avocados in Canada. And here's the deal. When you go to their website, this Avo Mega, it has no information there. It actually is like an empty Instagram page. So I can't get the traceability of the avocados, which is important for me because I prefer avocado oil just from Mexico. Otherwise you get the traceability issue. So I'm not saying it's bad per se. I just don't know where that avo comes from. In theory, it's a good quality oil because it's a high heat oil. MCT and chia are good for you, and the chia has the omega-3 fatty acids. But for now, we have to pass because of the mystery of the avocado. You know, the one piece of cookware I don't have at home is a wok. Back in the day, I had my mom's wok, but I think it got lost after I moved a few times. This is carbon steel, which is non-toxic, heavy, but conducts heat well. And I know it's quality because it's made by Tramontina, who makes my cookware, the Bobby approved cookware. To get it for $28 is a great deal. Carbon steel is steel. It's free of any forever chemicals. You do have to care for it and season it a little bit like cast iron, but it retains heat really well. And for high heat cooking, which you do in a wok, it's lovely. By the way, thank you to everyone who's supporting the cookware. It's off to a great start. It's the essential Flav City non-toxic set. It's all the stuff you need, none of the stuff you don't. You can buy the whole set. You can buy individual pieces. Spoiler alert, the non-toxic ceramic pan is flying off the shelves. And we have the knife and the cutting board, which is great too if you're in the market. FlavCityCookware.com has all of the items you can check. And if you're looking for a wok, this one is really good. That price is really good too. All right. That is it for my happy place, Costco. Check it out because these deals end quickly. The Hot Warehouse buys are literally like a 7-day window. But from Costco, my happy place, I leave you like I always do. Hashtag keep on cooking. Mad love and peace.